it's Carrie. Hi, it's Sydney, and this is your Laughing Glass Cocktail of the Week. I recently found this Patron Mango Liqueur, and I have been making tons of cocktails with it. It's so yummy. I'm super into it. So today I'm making a Mango Margarita. We're just gonna put a few ice cubes into our cocktail shaker. And then we're gonna add 6 ounces of Laughing Glass Classic Margarita. And we're doing about 1.5 ounces of the Mango Liqueur.
Yum. I'm ready. I'm so excited to taste this. I cannot wait.
And that's it. The Mango Liqueur is a little bit sweet, so in order to cut that, I've added this great sriracha rimming salt from King Floyd's bar provisions. It's really good. Salty, not too spicy.
Yeah,
it really cuts
really
the
good.
sweetness. So just mix that up, get it nice and cold. And we're just gonna pour it right out into our glass.
Fantastic.
There we go, give it a try. All for me.
Ooh, it's so good. The mango liqueur smells
It's
amazing.
so yummy.
That is good. That
Enjoy.
is so good.
Cheers.